high school. So here it's around 3:14 p.m. in the afternoon. So let me ask, no, what time na po sa inyo dyan?
Sa akin po, sir, Jordan, it's 10:12 a.m.
Oh my God, it's
Yes
10,
po.
12 a.m. How about Ma'am Rose?
Nandito pa ako sa Pilipinas, sir.
Hello,
Same lang.
dinig ba ako?
Ma'am Taslim ba? Or what? Tama po
Yes,
ba,
sir.
ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm Taslim. Here's here. And it's 18:15 a.m. in the morning.
10:15 a.m. So, that's why
Yes.
Yes,
nag-morning po
same with
talaga
me,
kayo.
sir.
Okay.
With the
Ah,
same, I am the same, sir.
okay, sige. How about Ma'am Sheena?
Same lang po sa Pilipinas ang Hong Kong, sir.
Okay, yes. So, Hong Kong and Philippines has the same timeline. Okay, so we will start our class. So, in here, good afternoon. And for others, good morning there. Again, you can see naman po my screen, no?
Yes.
Yes po, yes
Okay.
po.
So this afternoon we are going to talk about if you have questions, or clarifications, so you can just say it because I cannot see your messages po because I'm presenting. So you can just tell it then okay. Now, so for this afternoon, we are going to talk about dance for fitness and health. So this is under subject health optimization for physical education 3. So hope means yung health optimization physical education. So we are going to use the different fields of physical education such as dance. Then we will contextualize it into physical education, where we are going to target how to improve fitness and health through dance. So clear naman po ako no sa inyong end.
Yes po.
Yes,
And
Okay.
sir.
learn it loud and clear.
So I will not just open my camera ha kasi mahina din yung ano po, wifi ngayon.
Sir,
Pero
pwede laminaw na ko, sir. Nag-drive mo po, sir.
yes, yes po sir, no problem po sir.
Pwede ko din American kasi
Okay po. So if I have questions, you can just also answer me if alam niyo po yung answer. So, again, let us start our class. Let us proceed with the objectives for this afternoon. So, for this afternoon, we are going to identify the meaning and as well as the characterization of dance, as well as understand the different forms of dances and perform the different forms of dances. So, you are going to perform po talaga ha, mga ma'am and sir. So, it is part
Ang
It's
of
okay,
nasa
your
ko,
sir.
may sarong sayaw, sir.
It's okay.
Wala.
yes.
We can
Para
do
meron
it.
po
Nasa
tayong
dito,
ano.
bala mo sayaw, sir.
So,
Amo kiya-kiya
Ayaw
na.
yan, ate.
okay, you will just choose your ano, your own form of dance. So, yung comfortable lang po na dance na gusto niyo po. So, we'll talk about
Na.
that later. Now, let's just define first what is dance. So, you can see my slide naman po, no? We are now in dance.
Yes
Am I
po.
correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now in dance, so the meaning of dance, it refers to the rhythmic succession of body movements, usually to the accompaniment of music, and it is used as a form of communication according to the media 2009. So when we say dance, it should be there are body movements wherein in dance, ang involved po talaga is yung katawan natin. Then, when we say dance, it has also accompaniment of music. Meron po talaga siyang music kasi wala pong sayaw na walang music. Kung sumayaw ka po ng
Opo.
walang music, it is just movement. Yun po ang kaibahan ha. If sumayaw po kayo na walang music, it is just movement. But if we
Movement.
dance with music po, that is considered now as a dance. And the last statement also, it is used as a form of communication. So who can say, who can answer, why is it that dance is a form of communication? Sige daw. Who can share to the class?
Um, I, can I try, sir?
Yes po, sige po. Sino po ito? Ma'am, sino po yon? Sige
Mira
po,
po.
ma'am. Si Ma'am Mira.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Um,
Why is
why is it that dance can be a form of communication?
okay? Because for me, in my own opinion, dancing is the way of communication also because through dancing we can express our emotions through our body language. Am I correct?
Okay, perfect. So, because when we dance, it is not just all about that we move our body, but
Dancing,
dancing
yeah.
involves
Unsa
meanings
to?
or movement has our
Unsa
movement
to?
has meanings, no?
Unsa ito kalansi?
And we try to portray, no? Ipahiwatig po natin yung mga emotions, ideas, and messages po natin na gusto
Expressions,
nating
yeah.
ipahayag. Yes, we express our emotions and feelings. Now, wait lang po ha. Hindi ko pala mali yung na-edit natin. Wait lang po. So we do have these four characterization of dance. First is dance as a movement. Literally, dance is a movement. It's because we use our overall or our body, the entire body, to dance.
Napag-off ako
Then
ng
we have
ito.
also dance as a physical activity. Now, why is it
Kuha
dance
yung
is
mga tao sa
considered
ilingaw
as a
ba?
physical activity?
Tara!
Who can share to the class?
Because
Makapokus na siya rin. Kaya may
through dancing,
chokmuran.
sir,
Yes,
can
yes
I
po.
answer or
Yes po.
um dancing also is the way of exercising to para ma-circulate tama yung dugo natin.
Yes.
So we can
Okay.
have a very fit.
Okay. Now, what is the trending, no, form of dance that can be considered as physical activity?
Zumba, sir.
Yes, perfect po. Zumba. Zumba is a number one example of characterization of dance as a physical activity. Because through Zumba, we can develop our cardiovascular system, no? It can improve our heart, lungs, as well as our breathing technique. So that is dance as a physical activity. How about dance as a creative art? Why is it considered that dance is creative art? Who can share?
Creative dance.
Because
Sabi
through
daw,
For me,
dancing
sir, for
also,
big cans, you're
sir,
small.
ma'am? Sige.
no,
Para lang hilat yung
sometimes,
body mo. Katulad ng mag-ano ka ng dance, yung sasali ka sa pagda-dance kasi yung kunwari malaki yung belly mo or malaki ka na pagkatama, ganyan papayat. Right?
Ay, ano sir, yung ballet na
can
pag-dancer?
can you repeat the
Ah,
question, sir? Why
si Ma'am
is
Tas,
dancing?
wait
Wala,
lang po
matungkol
ma'am
ako.
ha. Si Ma'am Tassim, very literal po talaga ang um, example ni ma'am, no?
Answer.
So, it is somewhat connected po naman. How about
Bali, sir, bali,
yes, this
sir,
is, who's this
bali,
po,
sir.
ma'am?
Rose po,
Rose. Sige,
sir.
ma'am Rose.
Bali dance po, sir.
Oh, yes. Why is it dance is considered as creative art po?
Because movement, creative, emphasize of movement, sir.
Okay, yes, emphasis of movement. Yes. Oh,
Like, to explore this, like, nag-follow sa, ano, sir, yung rhythm, yung
okay.
may tempo, yun
Yes,
po.
following the rhythm, the tempo. How about Ma'am Sheena? Yes, we are interpreting something.
Wala
So
kayo mag-roomba,
interpretive
no?
dance. So those are or all correct. So when we see dance as a creative art, it is just like the same when we are creating an artwork or a painting, 'di ba? When we create a painting or artwork, we are following steps, procedures. The same with dancing, we are following the rhythm, no? The rhythm, the time, the beat, everything that is involved, following a procedure, a steps. So that's why dance is considered as creative arts. We have also already tackled this, that dance as a
Bin.
form of communication, because when we are dancing, we tend to communicate with other people, with our feelings, ideas, and could be could
Emotion.
be ideas, emotions, feelings, or even messages that we want. And especially in the contemporary form of dancing, we are all communicating what is happening in our society right now. So dancing, it could not be a verbal form of communication, but it is a non-verbal form of communication. Pero maintindihan din ng ibang tao when we dance. So these are the four characterization of dances. We have dance as a movement, dance as a physical activity, dance as a creative art, as well as dance as a form of communication. Now, let us proceed to the different forms of dances. I believe some of you is naka-experience na po, no, ng pagsayaw ng mga different forms of dances na ito. But however, we do have 13 of these. Pero we will just tackle one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry. So we have folk dance, ballet, modern, contemporary, ballroom, aerobics, cheer dance, as well as hip hop or street dance. First is folk dance, no. Sino to po nakasayaw dito ng folk dance?
During my elementary days, sir,
Yes,
sayawan po.
during our elementary years, itong folk dance po talaga, no, ang number one na pinapasayaw
Yes.
sa atin
Ano?
lahat ng ating mga teachers. But what is folk dance? So folk dance or folk dances are traditional dances of
Nakamo
country
ko.
which were involved naturally
Julie
and
ka.
kulang po ng N, no? And spontaneously in connection with everyday
Kadahan
activities
mo
and
yun, Julie.
experiences
Pili.
of people according to the Mapeles 2010. So when we say folk dance, it is not a dance itself, but it talks about the everyday activities as well as mga experiences of the people. Let's take for example,
Ay,
are you
nano, ay,
familiar
bataka.
with the first picture?
Nano,
What
bataka
is
pamili
this
usahay,
first
oy.
picture?
Tinikling, sir.
Tinikling.
Tinikling, yes, tinikling. Now, tinikling is not just a dance. Tinikling talks about, or the story of tinikling, it is the farmers there in the farmland, no? Nga they are stepping, no? Instead of bamboo, it is the farm or the rice field, no? The rice field. As well as when say tinikling, it talks about also ng yung bird po na tikling dyan sa mga rice fields din po natin. And we have also our very famous
Ay, amo
Karenyosa.
tawag ako, oy.
Now, the
Dito na lang
Karenyosa, it
ano.
talks about
Alter.
yung panliligaw po ng ating mga lalaki doon sa babae po natin. So that is folk dance po. Then we have also, when we say folk dance, it embodies their mores and cultural traditions. So when we are dancing a folk dance, we are bringing the cultural tradition of that certain region. So that is folk. So again, example po, we have tinikling, karinyosa, and we have so many more. Then next is we have ballet. So we have ballet. It is often dubbed as a backbone of dance. So when say backbone of dance, ballet is considered as the foundation, no? Siya po ang foundation of all the dances. That's why
Agaya, si
if
Joy Binoy.
if a
Sino ba ito
person
namatay?
wanted to be a professional dancer, kailangan po talaga niyang dumaan po ng pagka-ballet. That's why if we want our mga anak po na maging dancers po
Sibat ang
talaga,
Diyos.
it
That's
should
what libro
start
na to.
with ballet. It's because ballet can offer discipline po, yung traditional way po talaga of how to train a dancer. So yan po no. So if there is a question, what is considered as the backbone of dance? Ano po yung sagot po? Mga ma'ams and sir, ano po yung sagot
Ano po yung sir?
when the question is
Ha?
what is the backbone of dance? It is nandito po sa screen natin. What is considered as backbone of dance po?
Ballet,
Yes,
sir.
it is ballet po. Ballet. Now, let me play this video. So, moving po ba sa inyong end ang video?
Opo, nagmo-move naman. Nakita ko pero yung sounds ko,
Yes po, no sounds lang po siya. So, that is a ballet and when we
makita
say
naman.
ballet, yes, when we say ballet, it has also principles such as turnout, alignment, weight distribution, balance, and pull-up. So, when we say turnout po, this involves ang ballet yung pag-turn po talaga niya. Then, ang alignment po, it should be that our arms up to our feet, dapat aligned po talaga siya. And the weight distribution, that it refers to gaano po tayo kagaan, no, sumayaw. And the balance, it refers to also, di ba, sa ballet po, nag-stand po sila or kanang nagkinto, no? Nagkinto lang po sila. So that's why it involves balance. Now, let's proceed to our next form of dance, which is our modern dance. Now, when we say modern dance po, it is a free and expressive form of dancing,
Ayun ko na.
which na started in 20th century. Now, na-create po tong modern dance, it's because they are challenging the traditional dancing, which is the ballet. No? Again po, they created modern dance because they wanted to um,
Guban ang
challenge the traditional way of dancing, which is the ballet. Now, when we say modern dance, again, there is a free, no? Ikaw po ang bahala. You can create your own movement, your own expression. Not the same with ballet po na we are following the principles of ballet. Na ito lang dapat ang movement mo, ito lang dapat ang expression mo. But in modern dance po, you have the freedom to choose your own, to create your own movement as well as expression. That is modern. The next to modern dance is
Contemporary.
contemporary dance. Then, when say contemporary, it can be under lang po sa modern dance. Kasi ang modern dance po is bigger idea lang po yung modern dance. Then, but we will specify po talaga the form of dance which is contemporary. We have here contemporary, a style that integrates modern, jazz, and ballet. So it is a dance where we integrate these three different forms of dances into a one dance. Because let's take for example this one,
May hip hop, sir. May hip hop.
contemporary dance.
Contemporary.
Di naman kayo mo rotate itong XP, Binoy. Ito XP, ba? Di na kayo mo naog.
So ito po ang sasayawin natin. Joke lang po eh. Hindi, hindi, hindi po yan.
Okay,
So,
ano sir, pwede na sumba na sir. It's okay sir.
Yeah.
Because I
Okay.
can do the challenge.
See. So we will just talk about that later po. Pero again ha, when we say contemporary, it involves the modern, the jazz, as well as meron po siyang pagkabalay po. Then we have here,
Mix yung move.
yes po, mix po yung movement when we say contemporary dance po. There are movements from modern dance, movements from jazz, as well as movement from ballet.
Okay.
Okay, so next, we do have what we called ballroom. So I believe in our elementary, pinasayaw din tayo po ng ballroom.
Tango-tango man ako, no?
Yes po, yes, tango, ano pa yun? Cha-cha, and ano pa po ba yun?
Mao na ballroom.
Yes, those are under ballroom. So these are
Mm.
typically done in pairs, a man and a woman, and that's why ballroom is considered as close dancing.
Okay.
It's because the man and a woman is the same with the picture, may
Partner.
dapat magkadikit or magkahawak po talaga sila. However, in our days, in contemporary world, ballroom can also be danced with man to man and women to women. That is under the third
Ay, peaceful
class of
consider.
ballroom po.
Ito na.
Ah, now,
Okay.
are you are you all familiar with the
Ayun.
term dance sport? Mga ma'am and sir, familiar ba tayo sa term na dance sport?
Yes,
No?
dance.
Dance sport po, it is a ballroom, but it is a competitive form. Yan po ha.
Manood
Dance
naman.
sport is a ballroom but a competitive form. So when they are competing, so ang pairs po, they are competing with each other, that is considered as dance sports. Are we all clear po ba?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Like
Yes.
sa mga Olympics, ganun
Yes
po
po.
ba?
In
Yung mga,
Olympics, in palarong
okay.
pambansa, yes po.
Nice,
Or
nice,
yung
nice,
mga,
Ah, yung,
nice.
yes
yung
po.
international ballroom, sir, yung mga,
Yes po. Yes po.
Siya?
Sa mga
Pero if
like, sa mga ice skating, magsasayaw, ganyan.
iba lang po yung ice skating. Sa sports lang po yung ice skating po. Pero meron ding
Okay.
hinahaluan din nila ng ballroom. Pero when si ballroom po, if yan pong during mga entertainment lang or during mga parties, then when we dance cha-cha-cha, tango, yes
tango,
po,
sir.
those are ballroom. But if we are competing na po, competition na siya, we will term it as a dance sport. Yan po ha.
Ay, yung mga ano, sir, yung mga rumba.
Yes, Zumba. We have, in
Rumba.
ano kasi, we have, type ko lang po ha, in dance sports kasi, is we do have yung rumba, cha-cha-cha, um, paso doble, pero hindi na po natin yan iisa-isa. So example, let me just present an example of dance sport. This is jive.
Ay, hindi pa nakadagan.
Example po ito na
Magukod ng iro na.
Chay.
Lapoy.
Yung pang international mga.
So that is an example po of dance sport. Diba? Ang ganda tingnan ng mga dancers, parang ang gaan lang nila po tingnan when they dance. And yeah, okay, now let's proceed to next one. We have aerobics. Aerobics, it is any physical, oh wait, nabaliktad yung A at saka L.
Wala pa makoy picture yun ng
It is
tigom.
any physical activity that requires oxygen for a prolonged time, which cause training effects. So when ano ba ang example po ng aerobic dance?
Some,
As you can see from the pictures, ano kaya ginagawa nila? They are yes.
Bang.
Yes. Number one example of aerobic dance po is Zumba. Again po number one example po of aerobic dance is Zumba po. Why? Because it requires, ano po, it requires oxygen. Okay? Like, okay, hangakon ta. We are doing Zumba. So that is aerobic dance. Next is we have this cheer dance. Now, cheer dance concentrate on dances, steps, and fundamental
Hindi kita rin.
gymnastic
Lugi ang
features.
60.
So, cheer dance po, isa po siyang sayaw na meron pong mga gymnastic skills such
Tama
as
ba yan? Tama ba yan? Das
tumbling,
mag, das mag. Patay!
splits, and many more. So again po ha, when
How di
when the
gusto mong gamit ano no?
question, if there is a question
So,
po
gipat kayo
telling
mo.
na
How mo
what
gamit?
dance features gymnastic skills. So ang sagot po niyan is cheer dance. Again po, what dance that features gymnastic skills? It
Saan na?
is cheer dance. So
Cheer dance.
Oo.
here
Alam
in the
nila no?
pictures, we have here in
Ako
the
na, likod lang yun.
pictures, these are the champions of the UAAP, the National University,
Sabin.
or the
Tagaw
NU
nilbin nila.
Bulldogs from the UAAP. Then
Wala ay.
we have here an example of cheer dance.
I-provide ko ni Mambinos. Nag-lag.
Wait lang po ha. It's nag-load pa po siya. Okay, wait. Hindi siya naga-play.
Signal siguro.
Yes po. Okay. Ito. Nakita po ba siya sa end nyo?
Opo, makita naman.
Okay. This is an example of cheer dance, no?
Share them.
Like they are nag-tumbling sila, yung yes, one leg balance. In cheer dance, dito po natin makikita na they are dancing using the different gymnastic skills. And so that is cheer dance. Now let's proceed to our next. Oh, those are the different or the seven, I think. The seven different form of dances. Again, we tackled about first we have folk dance,
Folk
the
dance.
ballet,
Ballet.
modern,
Modern dance.
contemporary,
Contemporary.
ballroom,
Ballroom.
aerobic dance,
Aerobic.
yes.
Share them.
Cheer
Po
dance.
nasali yung hip hop and street dance.
Hip
So,
hop.
yes. When we say hip hop and street dance, wait lang, hindi ko pa po gusto nasali. Wait lang po ha. I-type ko lang po ha. So, we say hip hop para meron po kayong copy nitong meaning. So, hip hop or street dance. Actually po, magkaiba po talaga yung meanings ng hip hop and street dance, but it is somewhat related po kasi na ang hip hop po kasi was born or ang street dance po was born from street dance lang po.
Mhm.
So when we say hip hop or street dance, it is a style progressed from hip hop music. So, ang hip hop dance po, na-create lang siya po, it's because of hip hop music.
Awaron. Kitang tamang sa
Without
pagkulata.
hip hop music po, there will be no hip hop dance. Because first created was the hip hop music,
Sige,
then the
damage niya yung
people created dance steps na lang po na pwede siya ma-fit into the hip hop music. As well as we have principles
Hindi
or
nila i-damage.
involved or the elements involved. So elements po involved in hip hop, we have the locking, popping, and break dancing or b-boying.
Hawag kasi ano eh.
Yan po ang mga elements na under po sa hip hop or street
Gwapo yung
dance,
Franco, Blazing
b-boying.
Axe.
Yan po. So this is hip hop or street dance. Now, let me
Like pa.
also proceed. Sorry.
Like ano
Let me
para
also proceed to the elements of dance because it is important for us to know
Alinggo.
the elements of dance because these elements are or the building block of all the forms of creative movement and a great place to start when talking about or analyzing dance performance. So when we try to observe a dance performance, these elements, makikita po talaga natin siya. So our mnemonics po for this is BASTE, no? BASTE. So stands for B for body, A for action,
Action.
S for space,
S for
T for
space.
time,
T for
E
time.
for energy.
E for
Now,
energy.
let's talk about body. Why is it that elemento po siya ng dance ang ating body? Why is it included po, ang body?
Because body is yun yung parang nagbibigay buhay
Yes
Siya
po.
kabin.
sayaw natin. And body
Kita
can
ka pang hopo ko
create or
May
body
pagipitri pa yung
can
ipili, dida.
give emotions or it will
Pagipitri pa to.
this is the way of
Ako na diya.
giving emotions to the
Draw.
songs to the dance I think in my
Yes.
own opinion.
Yes, ma'am. That's correct. So, it is included the body because literally what is
Madlo ko
involved
na to.
in dancing is our body. It is the mobile figure, the one who create the movement. It is the one that is seen by the audience and also used by the dancers. Then how about
Kami nga tugtap din ha.
yung action,
Ayun.
an element of dance?
Pagpitri pa yung ipili.
Who can share po? Bakit po kasali po yung action as an element of dance?
Bro? Okay, go.
Sige, ano po ba yung ginagawa pala natin when we are dancing? We are say action. Ano po yung well,
Moving the
another
body.
yes, correct ma'am. Action. So when we are dancing, it means that
Up
we
and
are moving our body. We are taking
Yan
an
na, kaya kung
action
ipa-atras
because
ba,
action
ba?
it refers to any human movement
Grabe no,
included
Andre Binoy.
in the act of dancing. Kaya hindi, when we say dancing, hindi man tayo nga nag-stand still lang, nagpundo lang ta.
Wala sita
We
mo
are
ko.
moving. We are taking an
Patay.
action. Then, we have here space. So, space, it refers to the dancers or where the dancers perform. Asan po, asan, so nag-perform yung mga dancers. It refers to the stage or to a place, an area kung saan po sumasayaw yung mga dancers natin.
Dan.
Yes po. Then we have also to know that we have two categories of space, which are the personal space and the general space. When we say personal space po in dancing, yun po yung mismo na tinatayuan ng dancer kung saan po tumayo yung dancer, that is his or her personal space in dancing. Then yung general space po naman is yung kabuuhan po ng stage po natin or yung performance area natin. So yan po ha ang space. How about po the element time? Bakit po kasali sa elements of dance yung time?
Ulak. Pag musunod, din na
Bawat sir, stick my time sa sinusundan.
Yes,
Counting.
yes, perfect, no? Because in dancing, we are following or we are counting. We have a beat na we need to follow and yung beat po is the count in dancing po natin. And especially when we say time in dancing, ba, it is where we have an accompaniment by
Dira.
music. Then if gaano po yun kataas ang music natin, yun din yung pina-follow natin na
Dansa ka,
time kung
piling mo
gaano
ho.
kataas yung sayaw natin. That's why time is
Pag-retire, kuha nila.
included. Again, pwede po yun an idea po ng time as well ha, yung we are following the beat or could be the rhythm of the music. Then we have here the
Ang
letter
ibin eh.
E, which is the energy. Ano po ba itong
Energy.
energy? Ano ka pa?
Yung energy ko, nakadepende po
Energy
yung
for
Yung energy
answering
for
dance na dance
if
song
you
na ginagamit ko, sir.
Okay, so
no,
ang
for me
ay sige
energy
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
for me energy is very important on dancing because
Wala ka.
if you don't have energy on your performance, your performance is will not like
Wala lagi sa
wala
may
siyang
flicker. Ano dyan sa
kabuhay-buhay.
flicker?
So if you do
Yes.
dancing, you will need to
Ha?
have a energy based on your
Yes.
perform. Yes po.
Yes. No, it is important to see the dancers kung ano yung level of energy na binibigay ng isang dancer sa kanyang performance. Let's take for example, if hip-hop, 'di ba?
Ibin.
Hip-hop dapat mabilis, then
Yes.
yung
Energy.
parang with energy like
Energy.
100% or one. Yes, buhay-buhay nga 1000%
1000%
siguro
energy.
ang energy niya.
Kasi
But not
yan man yung rapper siguro, sir, no?
ang rapper na ma'am is like
Oh, lahat.
partially
Pagkanta po
Kay
yan.
buhay na
yes.
buhay man, baka nang ano gid sa
Mm.
Yes po. Pero again, from the meaning of hip-hop dance is nauna pong na-create yung hip-hop music, then ang mga tao is binigyan ng nila ng mga dance movement na pwede pong ma-fit sa hip-hop music. So that's why na-create po ang hip-hop dance. Okay, no? When I say energy, it is how the movement is executed, no? Paano natin ginalaw ang ating body? Low level lang ba of energy, medium level, or high level of energy? It refers also to the intensity of performance. And magkaiba po kasi ang energy na required when we do hip-hop as well as
Dalaw.
in
And folk.
ballet or in folk dance as well,
Yeah,
di ba?
same sa folk dance.
Dalaw.
Yeah.
magkaiba yung
Yes, sir.
energy na ginagamit.
Yes, di ba? Sa folk dance kay dapat graceful lang, no? Flowy lang yung energy natin. Pero
Flow,
sa hip-hop naman kay mura kag nakipag-away,
Galaw lahat.
no? Galaw
Karakara.
lahat ng
Mura kang nagkarakara.
yes, karakara, lahat ng kamay
Yes.
itapo natin in 1,000 level ba? Ganyan po, no?
Yeah.
That's why included po talaga ang energy as an element of dance. Then, nilagay ko lang po yung additional na element which is a weight, no? Ang weight po, it refers to how the lightness and heaviness of the movement. So meaning, gaano po tayo kagaan, kabigat when we are dancing. Yan po yung weight. Yes po. So those are okay, yes po. Those are the different elements of dances. So ano po yon? We have B.
Body. Baste. We have baste. Body.
Wait lang.
Actions.
Kunin natin, be. Kunin natin para hindi tayo, ito, wala na sa screen. So, yan.
Okay.
Ano po yung B?
Memorize na.
Body.
Body.
It stands for
Body.
baste. Body.
Letter A
Action.
po,
Action.
action. Letter S,
Ibin mo nga tayo sabihin.
space.
Space.
Letter
Ay,
D,
next. Ako, ibin, next.
Time
time. Letter
and
E,
energy.
and
Energy.
then ano?
Energy.
Sir.
Ayun, to karayan
Yes
ba?
po. Ano po yung additional natin?
Wait, sir.
Dalaw.
Wait po.
Wait.
Wait.
Drawin.
So again, those are the different form of dances as well as the
Kamu to the
elements of dances. Now we are done with the meaning as well as the characterization of the dance. We tackled the different forms of dances, including the elements of dances. Now let's talk about the performance of the different forms of dances. So, ano po ba ang gusto niyong sayawin? Mag-TikTok ba
Yan nga,
tayo?
para
For
sa
me,
yan.
sir, pwede, pwede kami na mag-decide, sir. Or ikaw magbigay sa amin ng ano, kung saan kami
Um,
komportable.
yes,
Ang sa kasi
we will
individual,
just,
individual or by group?
it will be individual po.
Ay, good eh.
Okay, para,
Okay.
Record na,
yes
sir.
po,
Yeah. Through
para
video. So,
through video po.
Through video, Jud.
excuse me, sir.
Yes po.
Can we do a video presentation about our performance? Is it okay?
Sige ka.
Yes po, for your performance task po, you will just record your performance, then you will submit it po.
Sige.
Okay. So, kami na bahala paano pagandahin yung video.
Kami na bahala kahit
as
ano.
long as nandun.
Yes po, but let's see what will be the majority decision of everyone. What do you want po?
Okay.
TikTok
Yung
ba?
Malandi mo.
Zumba?
Okay lang ba, sir, na Zumba, sir? Is easy.
Yes, Zumba.
TikTok dance
TikTok dance.
or hip-hop dance.
Madali.
Ganito na lang po. Sino po ang gusto
Gay,
mag-TikTok?
kisrayan ganyan po, Goy.
Ako po.
Gay,
This
ganyan.
is Ma'am.
Magigil
Apelyido
ko
lang
siya.
si Ma'am.
Parang
Mira.
Mira. Sino po
Ay,
po?
Ate Ivo.
Ay,
Yes. Barangay sir.
Explore ko niya, manggigil na siya po.
sino po?
Sir,
Ibon
Yes, sir,
Barangan.
Ibon. Yes po.
And Mira, sir.
Okay, kay ko.
For TikTok, we have Mira and
Tira.
Yvonne. So, oh my God, we have 15 minutes left. Okay. How about the others po? What do you want? Who wants Zumba po?
Me, sir. Video lang sa akin, sir, mag-Zumba.
Apelyido po.
Katalon.
Tyson po. Zumba.
Wait lang po. Let me end this presentation
Sana, sir,
na
wala na
lang.
siya limit sa minute.
Dugay,
We will, wait lang po.
Sanso.
Wait lang. Ang Zumba po, sino po yung Zumba? Apelyido po?
Katalon, sir.
Tyson po.
Catalan.
Sir, di ba ko kabalo mo sayang, sir? Sumba lang ko, sir.
Yes, pwede. Morales and who else po?
Hindi ako po, sir. Zumba na lang, sir. Ito, di dyan ko ano sa sayo.
Tyson.
Balik.
Ma'am Taslim, ano po yung apelyido po?
Zumba lang po, sir. Uy.
Sige ma'am. So we have,
Sumba lang ko, sir. Isa likod dito ni Saison, sir. Para di ko makita sa tumangin.
sir, individual po ito. So, you will just, for TikTok po, we have yung mga trending po na yung TikTok na mga combinations, or what do you call that? Mga different songs.
Compilation
Yes po, compilations.
or smash
Yes
up.
po.
Okay.
Yes
Yung
po.
duration sa ano, sir? Sa ilang minutes?
Pwede sa TikTok, you can do 1 minute po.
Sa Zumba, sir.
1 minute? Kadali ako to.
Dali.
Sir, gusto ko lang, sir. Mag-tiktok na lang po, sir, kung 1 minute.
Sige, we
Sir,
will,
maghimo ni video, sir. Kaya na Sumba. Himo ni video na Sumba, sir.
yes po.
Mag-jogging ka.
Oh, magsayaw ka na, Carl.
Dili na pwede, sir, na wala Sumba na jogging, sir.
Pwede po na like mag-search po tayo from YouTube, tapos like
Mag-play music.
yes po.
Dundugan
Wait,
pa, sir.
Wala pa pa na, sir. 13
Yeah.
minutes
Sige,
na.
sige,
Wala pa
sige.
mag-screenshot.
Dili nga mo na may pasa, sir.
Sir Noel,
Ayun, sir. Uy, sa private na mo, sir. Uy.
Sir Noel. Ano po?
Mag-screenshot.
Sir Noel, kay Sir Noel.
Yes po. Hello, Sir Noel. Madungo ko ng Sir Noel. Or can we just open first our cameras if pwede po?
Sige na, sir.
Po, wait lang.
Kami sa gawas, Diyos ko, budala na ko kung alam.
Okay, wait lang po. Email. So, hello. So, Naka-open na po ba talaga?
Open sense.
Okay. So smile everyone and 1, 2, 3, smile.
Bye.
I will just take a picture as well ha. Wait lang po.
Okay po, sir.
12 minutes na sir.
Yes, okay. And 1, 2, 3, smile. Last 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. So for Zumba po, you can just copy po from the YouTube video.
And then record na in video sir.
Yes, you record yourself lang po, ha? Only
Okay.
yourself lang po ang i-record natin. Then
How
you will
many minutes
just
sir? With 20 na sir?
pwede lang po natin i-cut, pwede lang po 1:30 para hindi po masyadong mataas.
Okay sir.
Okay lang po ba? Like, at least 1:30 of Zumba. Hindi lang po tapusin yung Zumba talaga na nasa YouTube. Then for TikTok po, pwede po 1 minute na TikTok.
Si mabarabi kinang
At pwede po din 1:30. I-same na lang po natin.
Sir, mga
Yes.
mga isa lang. Dili makapagin sir na sir. 1 minute.
Ay, sige, 1:30 lang
Sir,
din.
dili na mo ma-express ang emotions.
Okay lang sa akin yung 1 minute.
Sige po.
Amin
Ano po yun? Ano pong gusto nyo?
Okay lang sa akin yung 1 minute sir.
Kung
Ah,
1 minute ang TikTok na lang ta.
3 minutes? Sorry.
I-same na lang po natin
2 to
sa
3 minutes
Zumba
na.
na 1 minute and 30. Okay lang po ba?
Okay, sige
Okay,
sir.
limited 1 minute
Sige,
and
for
30.
both, yes, for both TikTok and Zumba po is tag 1 minute and 30 seconds lang po. Are we all clear po ba?
Yes sir.
Yes,
Yes sir. Okay
clear
sir.
po.
Sa akin okay na yun sir 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay, so I will not give you like mga lisod na mga activities kay I know you are all working po, no? So 1 minute and 30 lang po tayo. Okay?
Okay po, sir.
Well, I think that's all for this afternoon and morning kay morning man sa uban no. I I will just ask Sir Noel if you will be the one as well in the next for your PE. So thank you for attending your class for today, for your PE class. You can
Sir, excuse me sir.
yes
Isa
po.
na po namin kay kay Sir Noel yung mga video clips na.
Yes po, I will coordinate with Sir Noel po. Nasa kanya lang po isend.
Okay sir, thank you.
Okay po, you can leave now the meeting room. God bless everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless. God bless. God bless.
Thank you po.
Ang tingin mo ano na, yung kami
God bless
biskin.
Yes po.
Ingat, God bless.